this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about inspiration and creativity. And now I'll show you how this quilt was done. So I've taken on the project of restoring this beautiful hand sewn quilt in our family, and it's just needing a lot of repair. The edges need work. There's pieces that are missing. The first thing that needs to be done is we need to wash it, rinse it, and then we'll be soaking it in the Retro Clean. Retro Clean is a safe, easy way that takes out all of the aged look and stains from antique quilts. I think the 2-sink idea really was a good idea, and this was so dirty that I've had just to keep washing and draining the water until it's somewhat getting clearer, and then I'm just draining it while I fill this side. And I'm not putting any more soap in it. I'm trying to rinse it, but kind of washing the soap that remains in there out. Kind of coming back here, filling this one back up. And try to be as gentle as you can. There's just no way around it, but it had to be washed. I couldn't work on it because it smelled so bad. But every stitch is hand done. It's just amazing. This woman did such a great job. Okay, so this is my final rinse. It looks good. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my soak. First gallon of water in my container, and you add 3 or 4 tablespoons per gallon. And I know that I'm going to need more water, so I'm going to be adding my second gallon. So I'm going to mix up another batch. We're going to go outside and put this in a bigger tub. This is 2 quarts. So I'm going to mix up another batch, have that start dissolving, and we're going to need to make sure that it's saturated. So they did suggest in the sun to keep the water warmer. So I let the quilt soak in the Retro Clean for probably 2-3 hours. And I had to re-wash it again and re-rinse it really well to get all of the residue out of the quilt. So I kind of put a couple of tables together, laid it out so that it can dry really well before I start. But it's just a beautiful quilt, it really is. Some are easy fixes, some I'm not sure. Oh, this is just a piece on top, so that's an easy fix. And some of the, just putting that seam together. I've collected some of the vintage fabrics that are available now. Well, it definitely looks clean. It is such a pretty quilt. Now onto the hard part. Poor thing.